This tutorial is regarding HLOOKUP in Excel. HLOOKUP is horizontal lookup. This is not widely used but should be known. Here, data is present horizontally in the form of rows. In VLOOKUP does vertical search where data is present in columns. As we have studied in the previous tutorial, if you haven't seen VLOOKUP tutorial, or if you don't know VLOOKUP, you may refer to my previous tutorial in this playlist. Here, HLOOKUP works when data is present in row-wise format, as you can see here, right? So similar way as VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP searches data in a main table array, but this main table array is present in row-wise format, as I told you. So we will be starting writing our formula. As I told you earlier in previous tutorials, we used to start writing our formula with equals to sign. Here we will be writing HLOOKUP function. To complete this function, I will be pressing tab. This HLOOKUP will come over here. VLOOKUP value means the value which we are going to search. So we are going to search this part number. Table array means the table in which we are gonna search this part number. So we have to search part number and fill part price. So we will be starting selection of the table with part number, and we will refer till part price, and I will be selecting this complete table array for these three columns. Now part price row index number. So part price is the row index number. Part price is at the third position in our selection. So this row index number will be 3, comma, and we want approximate match or exact match. So if we want exact match, we will be selecting false. To select it, I will be pressing selecting false and press tab. Close the bracket and press enter. It will give you the result, and you can drag this to the below cells. Or we can change it from approximate cell here, and we can drag it A018. Okay, A009 is $195.91. So if we ignore this, if I change it to 018, it will result in 84.57, which is expected. And I wrote 46. If I write same here and look for A46, here $2.09. So this kind of dragging will not work in case of HLOOKUP function, right? So this is how HLOOKUP works, and this is not widely used, but you should be knowing it because this is searching our data and look up our data in our main table. It will be useful when you have huge volume of data and you just want to search from one value in the main table array. So it would be useful and it is good to know.